Have you noticed the rising buzz about Malaysia lately? It's not just travelers looking for adventure. Professionals, digital nomads, retirees, and families from across the globe are packing their bags and moving to Malaysia in 2025. From its breathtaking beaches and cosmopolitan cities to its affordable lifestyle and vibrant culture, Malaysia has become a magnet for those seeking better opportunities, comfort, and a fresh start. But what exactly is driving this modern migration wave? Here, we reveal the top 10 reasons people are flocking to Malaysia in 2025, and why this Southeast Asian gem is quickly transforming into one of the world's most desirable places to live, work, and retire. Number 1. Affordable cost of living. One of the biggest draws is Malaysia's affordability. In 2025, the cost of living in Kuala Lumpur remains significantly lower than in many Western cities. Rent for a modern apartment in the city center averages $400 to $700 per month, and dining out can cost as little as $2 to $5 per meal at local eateries. Essentials like transportation, groceries, and entertainment are similarly budget-friendly, making Malaysia a haven for digital nomads, pensioners, and families eager to stretch their income further without compromising on comfort or quality of life. Number 2. World-class healthcare. Malaysia's healthcare system is among the best in Asia, with modern facilities, highly trained professionals, and English-speaking doctors. Even better, treatments cost a fraction of what you'd pay in the US or Europe. For example, a specialist consultation can cost as little as $30 to $50. This outstanding healthcare, paired with medical tourism options, has made Malaysia a top choice for retirees and expats who want peace of mind and easy access to quality care. Number 3. Stunning natural beauty. From the idyllic islands of Langkawi and the white sand beaches of Perhentian to the lush rainforests of Borneo and the cool highlands of Cameron, Malaysia's landscapes are breathtakingly diverse. Nature lovers and adventure seekers are drawn here by world-renowned diving sites, trekking routes, and national parks teeming with wildlife, including orangutans and exotic birds. Living in Malaysia means weekend getaways to tropical paradises are always within reach. Number 4. Warm, welcoming culture. Malaysia is a melting pot of Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous cultures. This multiculturalism is celebrated in its food, festivals, traditions, and daily life, making it easy for newcomers to fit in and feel at home. In 2025, Malaysia continues to rank high for hospitality, with locals known for their friendliness, tolerance, and respect for diversity, an atmosphere that helps expats and travelers adjust quickly. Number 5. Strategic location in Asia. Malaysia's prime spot in Southeast Asia makes it a perfect base for exploring the region. Direct flights from Kuala Lumpur connect you to Bangkok, Singapore, Bali, Manila, and Hong Kong in under 4 hours. Business professionals and travelers love the convenience of Malaysia's international airports and budget airlines. The country's modern highways and trains also make domestic travel fast and affordable. Number 6. Delicious and diverse cuisine. For foodies, Malaysia is paradise. You can enjoy fiery Indian curries, delicate Chinese dim sum, fragrant Malay satay, and countless street food specialties like nasi lemak, all in one city. Even better, meals are incredibly cheap. In 2025, Malaysian cities continue to boast vibrant night markets and hawker centers where you can feast on world-class dishes without emptying your wallet. This culinary diversity is a major magnet for expats and tourists alike. Number 7. Growing economy and job opportunities. Malaysia's economy has bounced back strongly after the pandemic, with sectors like technology, manufacturing, oil and gas, and tourism booming in 2025. The country is increasingly becoming a hub for startups and regional offices of multinational companies. Many expats are attracted by competitive salaries, lower taxes, and a growing digital economy that welcomes entrepreneurs, freelancers, and tech professionals. Number 8. High-quality education. Malaysia is a regional education hub, offering internationally accredited schools and universities at much lower fees than in the West. Institutions like University of Malaya and Monash University Malaysia attract students from Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. For families with children, the availability of English medium international schools with British, American, or IB curricula makes Malaysia a practical choice for long-term relocation. Number 9. Safety and stability. Compared to many countries, Malaysia remains remarkably safe in 2025, with low crime rates in most cities and a reputation for political stability. While petty crimes can happen in any urban area, violent crime is rare, and the country is known for its reliable police presence. This sense of security, combined with Malaysia's friendly population, is a big reason families and solo travelers feel comfortable relocating here. Number 10. Attractive visa programs for expats and retirees. Finally, Malaysia's visa policies continue to be a major incentive. The Malaysia My Second Home (MM2H) program offers long-term residency options to foreigners meeting certain income and savings criteria, making it easy for retirees and remote workers to stay for years. In 2025, the government has introduced new digital nomad visas to attract professionals who can work online, another reason Malaysia has become a magnet for the global workforce. So there you have it, the top 10 reasons people from around the world are flocking to Malaysia in 2025. With its affordable cost of living, world-class healthcare, stunning natural wonders, thriving job market, and welcoming culture, Malaysia is proving itself as more than just a travel destination, it's a place to build a life. Whether you're seeking adventure, a better standard of living, or a comfortable retirement, Malaysia offers an unbeatable package that's hard to resist. Are you ready to join the growing community discovering everything this Southeast Asian paradise has to offer? Pack your bags, Malaysia might just be the new home you've been dreaming of.